20 pull-ups is a powerful bodyweight exercise that builds real upper body strength. It targets your back, shoulders, arms, and core at the same time because you lift your full body weight. Pull-ups develop functional strength. Doing 20 pull-ups improves posture by strengthening the upper back. Stronger back muscles help prevent rounded shoulders and reduce neck pain. Better posture also improves breathing and confidence. Pull-ups activate large muscle groups, which increases calorie burning. This makes them effective for fat loss. When done consistently, they also improve grip strength, which is important for daily tasks and sports training. Pull-ups builds endurance and mental toughness. Each repetition pushes your limits and teaches discipline. Over time, your control strength and confidence increase. No gym machines, no complicated routine, just a bar and your effort. Work towards 20 pull-ups and build a stronger, leaner, and more powerful. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel. Also like this video and text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video.